Ladies and gents, welcome to this video. What I'm about to share with you is probably going to help you beyond imagination. I will show you how you can turn a simple idea like this sentence and turn it into a full video script in just a couple of minutes. Trust me, this has become a shift in my content creator life. Here's the backstory. As you may know, I've been running businesses my entire life. I've not always been motivated and committed in creating content though. I have always felt that I missed something huge by not sticking to my schedule. I have had an erratic publishing schedule in the past. Sometimes I would be motivated and post 3 videos per month, then no videos for 6 months in a row. There are many good excuses for that, but the main one was the fear of speaking in front of the camera and forgetting what I had to say, especially in a foreign language. That's an issue. Recently, I have transfigured my production workflow, which helped me tremendously to create more videos on a regular basis. So let's jump into it. The goal is to transform a simple and basic idea into a very good video that helps people and customers. The tools we need are not too expensive. I highly suggest one of these small prompters you can use with a phone or a bigger camera. It's a key thing in my strategy. I can literally load a ton of scripts on my phone, then record my videos as one batch. In general, I record between 6 to 10 videos in just one session for 1 hour of shoot. This is impressive. And to be honest with you, you could even compress this down to a couple of minutes if you are better than me at just reading things. The second thing that changed everything is using an AI tool like ChatGPT. There's a free version and also a paid version for this tool, which is crazy. As of this video, the price is about £20 or $20 per month for an artificial intelligence assistant on steroid that works 24/7. Trust me, it's worth it. Here's the actual workflow. First, so everything starts with an idea. I save all my ideas into 3 folders on my phone: to prepare, the ones I have to script, to shoot, when they are good to be shot, and short. The idea could be as simple as a single sentence. For example, business tools I use every day, or want to talk about 3 biggest mistakes as an entrepreneur. It does not even matter if it's properly written or grammatically incorrect. Only you have to understand what it means. Second, you have 2 paths from here. The very best, in my opinion, is to write a first version of your script on your own, depending on the format you want to target. As a rule of thumb, it should be around 150 words for a 59-second short-form video that goes to TikTok, Instagram, YouTube Short, and approximately 1,000 words for a 5 to 8 minute long video that goes to YouTube or something. Another thing that is crucial is the first sentence of your video, which is the hook. It's okay if it takes a lot of time to prepare this, because it's expected. Try to make it as curious as possible. A 6-year-old should understand it. As an example, 5 business tools that made me millions. Straight to the point. The other path is to create and outline your video with the things you want to talk about in a very simple way. Here's an example. My hook remains the same. 5 business tools that made me millions. First, using the best tools can help you achieve more things, get more money, and get better at doing business. Tool number 1, Slack, that I use for communication purposes. Tool number 2, Zoom for my meetings and prospects, customers. 3, Airmail for my emails, Spotify for my podcasts, and finally the final tool, Trello for my project management. Remember that you can keep it concise and add extra value to it. Don't overthink it. Only think about the core of the content and the main keyword. You'll see how we can improve it just after. Third, then here's how the magic works. This part is going to blow your mind. I go on ChatGPT or any similar artificial intelligence tool. Then I start a new prompt. A good prompt should be as precise as possible. This is how you'll get the best and unique results. For example, write me a 150 words text for my YouTube video. Will have a worse output than write me a 150 word SEO friendly description for my YouTube video that talks about the 5 best tools to start a business. You could even improve it by adding at the end it should be written in basic English. This is how a good prompt works. I've had an idea. If you want to get some really good prompts, if we cross 30 likes on this video, I will share with you my 5 best prompts inside the comments. So like the video and get to the next part. Now, here's how to get my script done. I'm going to give ChatGPT the instruction. Write me a video script that covers this point below. It should have less than 150 words, written in a conversational and natural way, and also fast-paced. Plus, I add my outline. At this point, the AI will literally write the script for you or rewrite it just for you. However, I prefer to start from my own script that I asked the AI tool to make flow better. This will only take a couple of seconds and the first draft is going to be almost good to go. I then read the script out loud and add some tweaks myself. If you want, you can also ask the AI to do the edits just for you by asking things directly to the conversation. It's just crazy. You can add things like make the script funnier or add an example for the second part of the script from a doctor perspective. This is literally endless. Before recording anything, I always make sure the content is okay and that the sentences have a good pace in my own flow. Now it's time to load the script on my iPhone and record. For that, I use a prompter app that's crazy, InMay Teleprompter, and I set my iPhone on my prompter. I launch record, then I start to read, and after a couple of takes, I have my video shot. Then you can send the raw version of the video to your editor or do it yourself. To show you the end result, here's a video that took me about 2 minutes to script and 5 minutes to shoot. Awesome money rule you should understand, the one the poor ignore. Take 72, divide it by your interest rate, and you'll find out how long it approximately takes for your money to double. Let's say I invest £1,000 with a 12% interest rate. You divide 72 by 12, getting 6 years for your money to double. At age 32, if I invest 1,000 today, right now, and achieve an average 12% yearly return over the next 30 years, it will double 5 times, becoming £30,000. This is the secret of the wealthy. They learn and know the money game. Invest, have patience, and collect. That's it. I hope you enjoyed this workflow, and I truly think it's going to be a really good solution for all of you guys who are trying to create a ton of content. Tell me in the comments, what do you think about this method? Have you tried it yet, or what do you plan to do? Tell me in the comments. I'll see you in another one. Cheers.